Hey guys, today you're gonna learn how to make a thug life video in TenseKit AceMovi. The first step, drag your own video onto the timeline, then go to the point where you want to add a thug life theme. Cut out this part, right click on it and choose Add Freeze Frame. Go to the start of this part, add a keyframe, and then move several frames or seconds later and another keyframe. Click on the second keyframe and go to the top right control panel, scale up the video and to focus on the person. You can also change the color to make it more dramatic. And then we're going to add the title, the glasses, and the cigarette. Adjust the length of these materials, and then we're going to add 3 keyframes to each material. And then on the second keyframe, you can change the position, size, and the rotation of this material to create animations. And here is how they will finally look like. Last step, match the length of the materials with your video. If you're okay with the results, click export and save the video to a computer. And here is how you can make a thug life video in TenseKit AceMovi. You can download the materials in the description down below. And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.